Prop 57 has been front and center in this case. It allows minors to get out of jail when they turn 25, no matter the crime they commit. And Caleb Quick's father says that's injustice, so they're fighting really hard right now to get the suspected shooter moved to an adult court where there could be adult consequences. Caleb Quick's suspected shooter back in court to schedule his upcoming transfer hearing, a hearing that will determine whether the 16-year-old is tried as a minor or as an adult.
We wait more time in the hallway than we actually do in the courtroom.
The victim's family and friends crowded the courtroom Tuesday simply to be sent home because the hearing was delayed.
Honestly, I was expecting this to get pushed out till next year. No one wants to work during the holidays, and this is a very serious case.
Caleb's dad, Stephen Quick, says he's okay with the delay if it means the attorneys will be more prepared.
It wouldn't do my son any justice if we just made a decision today hastily. So I want to make sure everything is, T's are crossed, I's are dotted.
There's a lot of discovery, particularly in the form of electronic discovery. The amount of data on those phones is unbelievable.
Defense attorney Mark Coleman is fighting to keep his client in the juvenile justice system. So if he's convicted, they'll have to release him at 25.
Ultimately, the issue is punishment as opposed to rehabilitation.
Coleman gave us a peek into his upcoming defense strategy.
There is an undisputed body of evidence that shows that juvenile brain development, especially if they've been exposed to certain life events, is different.
We asked Coleman what kind of life events may have traumatized or affected his client's brain development.
Childhood events, concussions in football, concussions when you're 7 years old, can lead to brain injuries. Yes, I am suggesting there is evidence of that.
There's a lot of different circumstances that an individual can have growing up, for sure. But I mean, a lot of people don't end up putting a gun to someone's head and pulling the trigger because of those situations.
The suspect will be back in court to schedule that transfer hearing on January 8th. Coleman says they will probably schedule it for around February or March. At the juvenile court, I'm Brianna Bias, KSEE24, local news that matters.